Hello everyone, my name is Janae. Welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Janae. Today's video I'm going to show you how I've kitted this project up for my upcoming collaboration with myself and Rob, aka Diamond Painting Dog Dad. But before we get started with this video, there's a couple of announcements that I'd love to share with you. The first announcement that I'm going to share with you, and I'm really excited, is that I am now an affiliate with Treasure Studios Art. So for those of you that have not checked out Treasure Studios Art, I will have the link down below in the description, and I'd highly recommend that you check them out. They have some really beautiful paintings and some really fantastic artists. So again, check them out, and if you decide that you want to purchase a painting from Treasure Studios Art, there will be a discount code that you can use for that purchase. Now, it will give me a little bit of kickback, but it will give you that discount. So again, that's with Treasure Studios Art, and all that information will be down below in the description. Okay, so the second announcement is about an event that's going to be starting soon. The event is called Paint into Fall, and it's hosted by the Facebook group Crafty Things by Janae and Island Girl. So the event starts September 1st and it will go through until October 31st. This event will also go hand in hand with a collaboration between myself and Rob, aka Diamond Painting Dog Dad. There will be 2 grand prizes at the end of the event. One will be given by myself and the other will be hosted by Rob. And then there will be 2 pop-up prizes, one in the month of September and one in the month of October. The event rules will be posted down below in the description along with the Facebook group link, and we would love to have all of you join in the paint along. Again, that is Paint into Fall and hosted by the Facebook group Crafty Things by Janae and Island Girl. All right, so those are the announcements. So let's tell you a little bit about this painting. This is the collaboration piece that I'm going to be working with Rob, aka Diamond Painting Dog Dad. Now, we both got the same exact painting. The interesting thing is we're going to be just tweaking this painting a little bit and to our own personal touch, meaning that Rob will be doing some different things to his painting, and you know me, I will be really blinging this painting out. So I have some really great ideas that I'm going to share with you on what I'm going to do. But the first thing I'm going to share with you is how I determine what I'm going to do with this painting. There are a few steps that I take to determine how I'm going to kit up a project. One is the protective covering on the canvas, and 2 is the storage. So we're going to go over the protective cover. This painting is poured glue, so it comes with that clear cellophane type protective sheet, and me and that sheet do not get along. It's just a hassle. So with that type of protective sheet, I swap it out with parchment paper. One thing I'm going to tell you is I really like to work with parchment paper. 1, I'm able to customize the strips that I use, and 2, I'm still able to see the drill field as I'm working on my project. So the majority of the time when you see me working on a project, you're going to see that I've already swapped it out with parchment paper. Now, the other step is storage. Storage is up in the air depending on what you want to use, how you want to use it, and how that is determined is by the size of the painting and the number of drills in each color. Now, this painting is a 40 by 50, but it has 45 colors. That's quite a bit of colors. There are a few colors in this list that have quite a few drills in that color. So I've determined that I'm going to use the Craftmate Lockables. For me, it's a lot easier to have it in a storage container system than have multiple bags and possibly losing one of those bags. So here is my storage system. Again, it is the Craftmate Lockables. I've already got my drills set up and ready to go. So how I work this out is I'll take the color, I'll open up the bag, I'll pour in the drills, and then I will take my scissors and cut out the DNC code and take a little bit of Scotch tape and tape it down. The reason why I do it this way versus either sticker form or the self-adhesive labels is that with the Scotch tape, it's just really easy to take your fingernail or a pair of tweezers, lift this up, and it takes everything off and it leaves this top portion very clean. With self-adhesive labels or stickers, I find that that sticky residue is left behind, which means I have to take Goo Gone and get all of that stuff cleaned off, then wash everything because Goo Gone leaves that really oily, slippery residue as well. Just a lot of cleanup. So this is an easier way for me, and it's less cleanup at the end of the project. So I'm just going to put this back really quick. So that's how I determine how I'm going to kit up my project. So again, I swap out the protective sheet with parchment paper, and then I determine on if I'm going to use the Ziploc bags or if I'm going to use a storage container system. Now the next thing I'm going to look at for this painting is what colors can I swap out, because you know me, I'm going to bling this thing out. So not only am I going to bling it out, but I'm going to put some glow in the darks in here as well. So I have to figure out what I'm going to do and what colors I'm going to swap out, so that way I can put them in my lockables. Now I'm thinking I'm going to put glow in the dark drills in the moon, in the jack-o'-lantern, and I'm also going to put some rose glow in the darks in the bat's eyes, because I really think that's really going to make them look a little bit spooky. And then I may put some crystals inside the jack-o'-lantern and in the Halloween lettering down here as well. Now I may decide to change my mind and put crystals in other places. I may not. It's going to be more of a work in progress, so to speak. Anyway, that's how I've got this project ready to go. I'm really excited to do another collaboration with Rob again, and all of the information in regards to the upcoming event will be down below in the description. The event starts on September 1st. It's called Paint Into Fall. It's hosted by the Facebook group Crafty Things by Janae and Island Girl. I will have all of the rules and links down below. If you are interested in painting along with us, we would love to have you. Also, the event will have 2 grand prizes. One will be hosted by myself and the other will be hosted by Rob. And in the month of September and in the month of October, there will be 1 pop-up surprise prize given out. Now, all of that information is going to again be down below in the description. I know I'm repeating myself. I am so sorry. But I just want to make sure I'm getting all that information to you. If you're interested in participating in the event and you want to ask some more questions, feel free to leave those down below in the comments and I will answer them as quickly as possible. I would love to have each and every one of you join the group as well as participate in the event. By saying that, everyone, I'm going to end the video. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know by giving me that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're new to the channel and or just stopping by, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. If you do decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell is going to let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So by saying that, if it is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it's evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name is Janae. Thank you for spending some time with me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.